Hey everyone, so in my last video I talked about fixing up my quad Sierra, and actually last Friday I was able to get around to it and put a new flight controller. Not really new, the one I had repaired from Jay Gonzalez. So yeah, I got her up and running Friday night, and Saturday I gave Sierra a test flight, and I posted this afterwards on the Rotor Riot community. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone who was concerned and who sent their thoughts and condolences for my quad. What happened was I was flying. I was giving it a test flight, gave it a flip, gave it a roll, everything good, but it crashed into concrete. But when I took off my goggles, I found that Sierra, I couldn't find Sierra anywhere, and the only conclusion I had was that out of all the places that Sierra could bounce, she bounced into that small hole, which is the septic tank. So literally down the shithole, and I was really devastated last Saturday. But a lot of people commented on that post and just giving me good advice. How do I put this? So I'm not really I mean I have a good life, and yes, a quad is expensive, a GoPro is expensive, and those are material things. And every time I get sad about losing something material, the universe reminds me that there are things that are a lot more important. So actually on that day, we went to the hospital because a friend of my fiance was in the hospital due to a motorcycle accident. Thankfully, he's okay. He had his head checked, got a CT scan. There was some internal bleeding, but nothing serious, I hope. So that's what happened. That reminded me that I lost something very material, and but there are more important things in life than just a quad, and I have a good job. It might take me a while, but I'd be able to build a quad back up. And I also have some parts from my drone drop, which actually I just this month I stopped my drone drop subscription because I really needed to save up some money, because for those of you who don't know, my wedding is coming up really fast. It's less than, I think it's like 6 or 7 months away. So I really I thought I needed to save up, and this really is not in my budget right now, but I do have some spare parts lying around, and I might be able to build a quad sooner than I initially expected. Especially since one person messaged me. I'm not gonna name who you are, but you know who you are. I hope you watch this video. But yeah, one person messaged me, said he had some old parts lying around, might send that to me. So yeah, I really don't know what to say. I just want to say thank you to everyone who has supported me in this hobby, who has kept me up in the air, and all of the support in this community. This is what I love about the community. I'm not a pro pilot. I'm not sponsored in any way. I just from my I take a small budget out of my salary, and I put it to these quads. So it really does get quite expensive. But so yeah, I guess that's it. I just wanted to say that life is very important, and I really like to thank everyone for your support, for your words, and even those who had a little bit harsher perspective. It's still good advice, even though the packaging is a little bit off. But yeah. So I'm still editing a video, so I'm gonna post this, and I'm gonna be posting another video right after this, which I just finished editing. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna be back in the air very soon. I have a Source 2 frame with some flight controllers on the way, and maybe some more stuff. So you know what, just there's a fly. So I guess it's me just saying thank you, and saying that I'm gonna be paying this forward, looking for people to help get back up in the air, just like you guys have helped me get back on my wings, or helped me get back into the air. Right, so that is it. Just gonna be, you know, uploading this really quickly and then uploading the other videos soon. It was a really it's like 2 or 3 months ago, but it was 2 or 3 months ago, so finally came around to editing that, so hope you check that out too. All right, I'm just gonna post a link up here somewhere, but yeah, check that out, and as always, keep building, keep flying. Yes, that's it. Bye.